Want to see how well your SEO is really working without using expensive tools? AWStats and cPanel gives you a full report card on your website traffic. Let's dive in. AWStats is a built-in web analytics tool in cPanel. It shows real-time data about who's visiting your site, where they're coming from, and how they found you, perfect for tracking SEO performance. To get started, log into your cPanel. Scroll to the metrics section and click AWStats. Select your domain to open the detailed traffic report. Look at these key SEO signals. Unique visitors, are you getting more traffic over time? Search key phrases, which keywords are bringing people in? Referring sites, who's linking to you? Geolocation, where are your visitors coming from? Use this data to spot what's working and what's not. If search traffic is low, tweak your content or meta tags. If bounce rates are high, improve your user experience. AWStats may look old school, but it's a goldmine for tracking SEO without leaving cPanel. Start spying on your progress today and grow smarter.